Hey guys, for a little extra support, extra practice, we're going to do a little division question through this video, and you can pause as much as you want, and then you're going to practice doing it on your own with the exit ticket that I gave you. We've done some division problems before, but this is just a little extra support to help you with it. So let's start with this story. I have a total of 56 nonfiction books, and I have 7 bins. I want to divide or partition the books equally into those bins. Partition's a really important word. When I say partition, I mean when you distribute something or passing something out. So how many books will each bin contain if I divide the books equally? Now, I have some key information, like I know that I have 56 nonfiction books, and that's the total amount that I have, and I have 7 bins, or 7 equal groups. And I want to know how many books will each bin contain if I divide the books equally. So in other words, I'm trying to figure out the group size of the bin. How many books will go in each bin if there are 7 bins and 56 books? So something that I did before starting the video is that I wanted to represent those 7 bins with these rectangles. So my 7 bins are here, but my 56 isn't represented yet because I'm not sure how many books will go in each bin to get me to 56. Because remember, 56 is my total amount of books. Now, I could start partitioning by ones, but imagine that would take a really, really long time because I would have to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and keep going until I get to 56. So I'm wondering if I can partition in a bigger way. So before I even draw anything out, I'm going to just think to myself, what if I partitioned it by tens? Let's just see, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay, so definitely not by tens because that would get me 70 books and I have 56. So I might just go somewhere in the middle and just partition by 5s just to see. So I'm going to just write 5s in each bin. And it's not going to look perfect because I'm using my marker on the computer. So that's 5, and then another 5, that's 10, another 5, that's 15, another 5, that's 20. Okay, another 5, that's 25, another 5 is 30, and then another 5 is 35. Alright, so the good thing is I didn't go past 56, but I'm at 35. So now I'm wondering if I can just add a few ones to each bin to see if I get to that 56, because I'm not too far. So if I know I have 35, I might say 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. I'm not at 56 yet, so I'm going to keep going. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. I have to keep going because that's just 49. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. So it seems that when I have 56 nonfiction books and I want to share them equally or divide them into 7 bins, I will have 8 books in each of my bins. So now I want you guys to try it out with your own exit ticket, and if it helps out, you can definitely rewind this, take it back so that you can watch again and just review one more time.